Okay, so after the longest trip, I finally made it to Ella. It was close enough to 8 hours on that train journey, and I didn't buy a drink or anything, so I was really like suffering on that journey. As soon as I come off the station, there's a little place here, as you can see behind me. I'm just gonna grab something to eat, get myself a chicken kotu, and yeah, after that, then I'll head to the hotel. But yeah, I'm so glad to be off that train now and chilling, getting something to eat and I'm relaxed. So we'll catch you in a bit. I'm okay, thank you. I ate already, no thank you. So I got my bag on my back and this one on the front. I'm looking very touristy. But yeah, making our way down. There's loads of little caps and bars down here, so I might come back here to a bit later on. But yeah, it looks nice. Hello, hello, thank you. All right, later then. Okay. I guess there's loads of bars and stuff here. I think this is a bit more of the touristy town. So yeah, let me settle now, I'll come back later. Good morning from Ella. I am in a tuk-tuk on my way to, oh look, can you see? It's like all painted as Lilo and Stitch. There's Lilo and Stitch all over my tuk-tuk. Do you know I still haven't seen that film though? Moana. I still haven't watched. No, it's Moana. It's not Lilo and Stitch, it's Moana. See? That's how you know I haven't watched it. It's Moana. It's not Lilo and Stitch. It's Moana. I still haven't watched this film yet. Today, we're hitting one of the most popular sites, which is the 9 Arch Bridge. So, I got my little tuk-tuk driver that's taking me there. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, and hopefully we get to catch a train going past as well. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you there. What's your name?
Sajinta.
Sajinta?
Yeah.
Okay. Sajinta is my tuk-tuk driver, guys. So he's leading me down this narrow path to the 9 Elms Bridge, which is just over there. So we're gonna try and get there as quick as possible and as safely as possible. All right, you lead the way. I'm following you. The path to get down here is truly, honestly, truly, is just completely man-made. There is no real path. You're just kind of walking through little rocks, crevices that so happen just to lead to the bridge. There's just loads of like tree vines there, and you're having to just step over upon large rocks. I really just didn't bring the right footwear for this. There's no grip on my shoes, so like one slip, it's game over. Oh shit. Oh my god, I nearly fell. Do you know, I need to stop vlogging. I'm gonna stop vlogging, and when we get to the bottom, I'll continue because it's gonna end well. It's gonna end poorly. It's gonna end bad. Hey guys, I think we're finally nearing the track now. Just walking through, as you can see now. We're here. We're on the train track, guys. We have to be quite careful on this because the train actually runs on this, right? The train comes.
Not now.
Not now, later. So we have to get off the track. Or we gonna get run over. But you'll let me know. Don't let me walk on it and then the train comes, right? So amazing time at Ella today, visiting the 9 Arch Bridge. Crazy spot. Definitely you have to visit in Sri Lanka. As you can see, the train tracks just run all the way back over there, and then it follows straight down there, and that's the line that goes from Colombo to Ella, and then there's one that goes from Ella to Kandy, which goes in the opposite direction. So yeah, the train starts honking its horns, and then you need to get off that track ASAP. But yeah, really nice views here. So as we're climbing back up the mountain to get back to the tuk-tuk, I go rip my shorts though. I've split my shorts right wide open. I can't walk around, so I need to go into the hotel and change, and then we can head out somewhere else. But for now, I can't be walking around Sri Lanka with a massive hole in between my legs. So we're gonna get that sorted first, and then we'll reconvene. Alright, catch you in a bit, peeps. Welcome to Ravanna Falls. As you can see, kind of back there is where we're going to be heading. It's so beautiful. It's a really tall waterfall. We can't climb it, but I'll try and get as close as enough as possible anyway. Yeah, beautiful. Can't wait. So we're getting the wedding done. Okay, we just finished at Ravanna Falls, as you can see behind me, just there. Amazing again. Sri Lanka's like one of my favorite places now to visit. Excuse me, Mr. Doug, you have to move. We're trying to reverse the car. He don't want to move. Mr. Doug, you're gonna have to move, please. Please, Mr. Doug, we need to reverse the car. No, you don't want to move? Okay. You busy sleeping? No, okay. I'm not sure what we're gonna do then. We need to reverse the car, but the dog doesn't want to move. Okay, so we're gonna be here longer than I thought we would, but no, dog, still nothing. All right, we'll wait. Hey guys, we've come to the end of my stay in Ella. It has been so beautiful here. Unfortunately, it was only 2 days, but you know, we tried to get the most of what could be done here. But I'm actually gonna really miss this view here. I've got the waterfall in front of me. Ella Rock is just right behind, and then we can see Adams Peak just to my left. It's so beautiful here. But you know, all good things must come to an end. So till next time, peace.